Encountered an LC2 file from telecommunications or line control systems? This is a configuration file from LineControl Client 2 software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these LineControl Client 2 configuration files. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn LC2 files. LC2. Files are configuration files associated with LineControl Client 2 software used in telecommunications or industrial line control applications. They store system settings, connection parameters, monitoring configurations, and operational rules required for the line control software to interface with controlled equipment. LC2. Files use a format specific to LineControl Client 2, storing structured configuration data, including connection settings, device parameters, control rules, and user preferences. The format may use binary or text-based encoding, depending on the application version, with internal structure designed for the line control operational environment. Official support for LC2 is primarily provided through LineControl Client 2 from LineControl. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows shows raw settings, though interpreting them accurately requires domain knowledge. We need to force an application assignment. Right-click your LC2 file and select Open With. If LineControl Client 2 is installed, test it. If it's unavailable, select another program. Testing is the most direct path to the fix. If the LC2 file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. You've exhausted the easy options. We must now test these specific common failure points to definitively isolate the source of the LC2 error. First, opening with LineControl. Install LineControl Client 2 software and launch the application. Use the configuration import function to load the LC2 file, applying the stored settings to the current line control session. The software configures itself according to the imported parameters, enabling proper operation with the target line control system. Next, editing configuration. If the LC2 file uses text-based format, open it in a text editor like Notepad++ to view and modify configuration parameters. Edit values carefully, understanding the impact on system operation. Test configuration changes in non-production environments before applying to live line control systems. Finally, backup and recovery. Maintain backup copies of working LC2 configuration files before making changes. Store backups in secure locations, enabling quick recovery if configuration modifications cause operational issues. Document configuration changes with timestamps and descriptions for change management in production telecommunications environments. If compatibility checks fail, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-Zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.